Some things in life are a question of perspective, because what makes this moment unique and full of life is you. This freedom now lies in your hands.
What we strive for in everything that we do is to help you capture the special moments of your life, to tell your story. We are at the forefront of electric aviation. We developed the Typhoon 4K quadcopter with the built-in camera to capture crystal clear 4K Ultra HD with incredible detail. It has the ability to record in 120 frames per second slow motion, full HD video. It's easy to use and provides a perfectly user-friendly experience that fits in with your lifestyle. We designed a number of smart features that allow the Typhoon to adapt to you. We have reinvented how the Follow Me feature interacts with you. The software detects where you are and follows you automatically. We're the first ones to incorporate elevation changes, so the camera drone actually follows you as you go up and down in geography. To give you even more artistic freedom, we have integrated the Watch Me feature. It allows you to concentrate completely on what you're filming or doing while the camera always remains directed at you. The operation of the Typhoon is super easy. In the development process, we put in a lot of thought in how to make it quick and easy to use, ready to fly out of the box in less than 2 minutes. Our remote control is the optimum combination of high-quality material and user-oriented design. With the integrated touchscreen that's built into every unit, you have full control over camera image and see all the important flight parameters. There is no complicated installation of external monitors necessary. Our software and hardware is perfectly matched. With professional camera settings, you can use the 4K camera with the remote and also control frame rate, resolution, and exposure. Or do super sharp photos just by pushing a button. The Typhoon opens completely new perspectives for your creativity. The Copters camera gimbal is a 3-axis stabilization system which allows you to make steady footage even in windy conditions. The 4K camera also has optical compensation with a flat, wide-angle lens. This means the picture is realistic. There is no loss of quality and less effort in post-production. This makes it possible to discover new horizons with ease. But the Typhoon is more than that. With the included steady grip and the Seago 3 camera, our product becomes an all-in-one solution for steady air and ground shots. The modular design allows you to switch from air to ground within a few seconds. The steady grip is a 3-axis stabilizing gimbal system for your hand. Because of the integrated video link, any smartphone becomes a portable display via Wi-Fi. With our Seago 3 camera app, you can not only control the camera easily, but also have a brilliant picture in any situation with all recording options. The 2 different modes for the steady grip makes filmmaking more comfortable for you. In follow mode, the camera follows you and your hand movements in a smooth motion. Whereas in the focus mode, the target is fixed. The Typhoon's flight time is up to an amazing 25 minutes. Complex maneuvers or long pursuits are no longer a problem. In addition, with each copter comes a second battery. Your imagination may run wild for a long time. Changing the battery is incredibly easy. The battery compartment has an easy-to-open enclosure that keeps the battery safe during flight and allows you to change in seconds after landing. Satellite-based GPS data gives your flight better control. It holds your copter quiet and safe in the air. Safety is a concern, and the return to home function brings the copter back to you in the event of signal loss. Of course, it can also be used as an autopilot to land without the need of control. With the flip of a switch to the home position, the Typhoon will return to you. It's that easy.
We have designed one of the world's best flight simulators for multicopters, which gives everyone the opportunity to get the feel for flying without ever leaving the ground.
As part of our quality assurance, every copter is individually tested and must pass our highly detailed quality controls before leaving the factory. Be adventurous. Unleash your creativity and discover new perspectives. Your story is worth telling. Your story is worth sharing with the world. Come with us and tell your story.